Okay, so this is the dancing cow tutorial. It's designed to show you how to use bones to have an articulated character. And a bone is basically an articulation to control a more complicated mesh. So, moving right along, we have a bitmap and the tracing of the cow. Neither of those are actually useful for us today, but we do have the cow body, boom, a leg, which we will cheat and repeat for the second leg, an arm, and a second arm. Now, I'm not too worried about where I put these. Ideally, you do want to place them in a neat sort of order, but we need to get to the bone tool. Now, I've already brought mine up, but if you click the triple dots at the bottom, they will be displayed here, and you can just drag and drop them into here. So if you need to get hold of any of these other more complicated tools, or different tools really, you can hover over and find out what they're about, and then decide whether or not you need them. So clicking that to get rid of it. I'm going to get the bone, and I'm going to articulate this from the center outwards. So the body to the limbs. Fairly simple. Now I'm going to go to this tool. This is the free transform tool. This allows me to modify said articulated creature. So clicking off, I'm going to go into each of the individual limbs, and I'm going to move them around to make a good position, and then I'm going to use the arrange to send it to the back. Oh, that did a lot more than I expected. But anyhow, we'll just adapt to this situation by rotating the body, which we can't do. Alright, undo, undo, undo. That's actually kind of a weird reaction. I wasn't expecting that one. Okay, let's see if we can do send it back from here. Did it again. Okay, crazy stuff. Well, I might just put up with it. It might not. Don't know. Let's have a see how it reacts in other cases. So moving that leg up to there, so that's where the hip joint would be. Ditto with this one. So really what I'm trying to do is just create this articulation. It might be because I rotated them. That's a novel concept. This one I'll move all the way to here and then bring that to here. And then when I go to this thing, this allows me to edit and manipulate the said boned creature. You can see it's not great at the moment, but we will send things to the back and deal with the consequences thereof. And this time it didn't happen. So, and oh, this bit needs to be at the front. So arrange, bring to front. And the arrange stuff is great for laying up things up and down within a particular layer. So, creature is articulated. Let's go to frame 50 and insert a keyframe. And do it on this layer as well. So this is irrelevant now. The armature layer is basically what allows us to set up the poses. So I'm going to right click on this and I can clear pose, remove armature. Think of it like an arm. The bones control where your arm goes. So moving along a few frames, I am going to get this cow to dance. And then move along a little more. A little more, and this is just a demonstration of the fact that it can dance. And then this one, yes, I'll pull that in a little bit. This one I'll pull down a little bit. So here you can see, go to the very end and kick up. Woohoo! Oh, what a feeling. And then if we hit play, oh, okay, play, we have a bit of a dance going on. If we go to the properties tab and actually click on this bone, we're given a couple of extra features to deal with as well. So here I've enabled joint rotation. So if I grab it, I should see it doesn't rotate. Now I think on yours, when you first set it up, it won't be enabled. But to get to the bone stuff, you need to click on either one of the points or the bone itself. And so you can here see joint rotation turned off. And I can turn it on and constrain it, say by 10 degrees each way. That way it has a little bit of movement. No, it doesn't. Oh, that's the whole body has that small amount of movement available to it. So now we can go, wah! As you can see here, I'm having fun with it. So that's one part of it, and then I think we might, if I click on it, I can enable X translation as well. There. So here I can move it left or right. So I've already just animated the dancing. So if I start, oh, I don't know, over here somewhere, and go, yep, it should be right, and then over there somewhere, what we'll have is a bit of dancing. And that's pretty much all I want you to produce. Nice and simple. Give it a go. Thank you for your time.